Okay, guys, so our second day journey, second part starts here, and I'm going to a cave. And on the way, I heard something and I stopped here. I don't know if you can hear or not, but on those trees, there are some parrots. If you can hear the sound, they look so cute. It's there. No, I cannot be zoomed. Okay, guys, so we are going to the cave, and uh, total with guide and this slide, it costs 550, right?
Yeah.
And she is our guide.
Two guides.
Two guide, yeah, backside. He also. What's your name?
I'm Wilbur.
Fairburn. And your name?
Juvie.
Jovi. Okay, so let's see what's inside. I will make a video for you.
Yeah. Careful. Hi. 600 meters long.
600 meter.
Yeah. So
Very long.
avoid touching the white stone inside, and
Yeah.
careful your head and also your back, because the stalactite or
Got it.
narrow, and then
Okay.
careful of steps, very slippery inside.
Yeah, it's really very slippery.
Yeah, it's okay.
it's
There
not
is
working.
many water there.
Okay.
Okay, unahin na ba?
So now let's start. Let's go.
Okay, here, sir.
Yeah.
You can see here insect that is a cricket.
Yeah. Yeah.
And also here.
Yeah, it's a big one. Nice.
There's a column.
What it is called? Stalagmite.
Stalagmite. Stalagmite in the ground.
Okay, yeah.
Stalactite in the ceiling.
Okay. Okay, so here's a catfish in the cave. Here we can see small insect bats. Ha. Let's go. Okay, guys, so after that cave, now we are going to the Paliton cliff area. I think we are here now. That's the entry point there. So let's see how it is. Thank you. Entrance is 30 pesos.
Okay, so it was 30 pesos entrance fees, and now we are going to Palitan Cliff. This is how it looks. Oh my god.
here you can go down, and it looks so beautiful here. It's like this. Here are some Russians. I understand a bit Russian, and they are talking Russian, so of course they are Russian, or maybe some Soviet country, any other Soviet country. This is how it looks. Where's the sun? Okay guys, so it was raining heavily and I'm totally wet now. So after the Peloton beach cliff, now I'm here at Old Enchanted Valley Tree. It's a old, very old, around 400 or 500 years old valley tree. So we are going here and let's see how it is. So, you have to write.
Bawal niya magkaon dito, mama.
Okay.
20, sir.
20?
Yes.
Okay.
Mama na.
Okay, so the entry fees is 20 and this is how it looks like. Huge. And these are the shops there. Guys, so for going back to uh, Cebu, there's a direct ferry from here, Port Siquijor, but it costs around 1600 pesos. So I thought to save my money and go to Dumagate from here, which is around 350 pesos. And then from Dumagate, I will be going to Cebulan. That will be around 100 peso. And then from Cebulan to Liloan, I will be going. That will be around 120 peso, I think so. I'm not sure. From here, from Cebulan to Liloan, how much they will take. We'll just update you guys. And then from Liloan to, of course, my home Cebu city, Mandaue. There will be a bus around. There's always a bus. I think it will be around 350 pesos for that. So for now, I'm at Dumagate port, and let me show you the view here. It's like this. Look at the view.